Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest. And today's video is all about PLTR stock. It's been a little while since I've talked about PLTR, so I apologize. Before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Edutainment, if you will. So Palantir seems to be getting cheaper with each new quarter that passes. It's definitely a stock that is trying the patience of even the longest term investors, whose multi-month timeframes are proving pretty troublesome in the quest to make nice, good, juicy gains on PLTR. But there is a huge opportunity with Palantir stock. If you can play the long game, if you can be patient, then I definitely think, in my opinion, that an investment in Palantir stock at current levels will be can be a super rewarding experience. So if you don't know about Palantir, they provide enterprise software to government and other large deployment customers. Core competence of PLT software is its ability to handle and interpret large data sets in a way that reduces the skill level required of the user. Basically, deploy PLTR applications on difficult problems where better data analytics can help. You just train your existing business analysts to use the applications. You don't need a new army of PhDs on the job. When we talk fundamentals, Palantir fundamentals are definitely improving. The products are good. We know that. The products are excellent. Now, if we look at the numbers, 2020 revenue was poor quality by and large. Far too much of it arose from recognizing contracts already sold and prepaid in prior years. You can see that from the positive accounting profit, the EBITDA, in 2020, accompanied by negative cash flow. Now, fast forward to 2021, the revenue is a whole lot better, arising from new contracts won, as well as recognizing the prior remaining performance obligation. Once again, this is a reason to ignore EPS and look at cash flow if you want to get a more realistic picture of what's going on with the stock. It's the cash flow that tells you that the revenue quality has improved in 2021. TTM unlevered pre-tax free cash flow margins stood at plus 8% as of 30th of September 2021 versus negative 36% as of 31st of December 2021. Gross margins have been moving up too, indicating more standardized product sales and less bespoke work. TTM gross margins were at an all-time high in Q3 at 77%. Top line revenue growth has cooled off, a little bit, but given the vastly higher quality of revenue that we're now seeing, I don't think it's a huge concern. Finally, the contract book is also growing, which is very important. RPO of $874 million is up 46% since the end of Q4 2020. And also, we can't forget to mention that the company has record high levels of balance sheet strength. So fundamentally, I think we can all agree that everything seems pretty good. And yet, despite these real-world improvements in the company financials, the stock has been weak. If you've been in this game any substantial amount of time, perhaps you won't be surprised by this, because the relationship between company fundamentals and stock price is a bit of a rocky one. They're not always correlated. And I guess it makes sense. If they were, this would be super easy. We'd all be millionaires. But if you have a long-term view of PLTR and just investing in general, I don't think you'll be too upset about the current prices. If we talk about price predictions, I think a conservative price prediction for 2022 would be $53 per share, and a more aggressive one would be $81 per share. And I think by 2023, the stock could even reach $104 per share. So if you look at the subreddit for PLTR, morale seems to be doing okay, actually. I've discovered that whenever the price, goes to 20 and below, the whole subreddit just becomes Lord of the Ring memes. And there is actually a good reason for that. Palantir is the name of stones created in Middle Earth that helped with long-distance communication. So it's kind of related. But I think this meme pretty much sums up what I'm trying to say. The subreddit checking the chart of their 10-year plus long-term investment every single day. That's the thing. You know, if you're in it for the long term, don't worry about these short-term fluctuations. Unless you're like a swing trader or a day trader. In which case, this probably isn't the right channel for you. We don't really talk about that. But you're welcome to stay. So guys, that is all I have to say today about PLTR. Still very bullish long-term. But let me know how you guys feel in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening, guys. And until next time, have a great day.